It is damn hot. It is summertime. I haven't been out in a long time. I haven't walked like this in a long time, and we will find out what is what. Let me just gotta get my mount here. And there we go. We have our FPV camera. All you gotta do is find something nice to take a photo of. Bus. Nice. The sun's hitting the building nice. So that's one shot I won't regret. I just have to make sure I keep my distance and don't go near anybody as much as possible, and just, you know, keep away. The streets are mostly empty, so that's a good thing. Nice. Let's see if we can grab a bite. Grab a bite, grab a bite. What to get, what to get. Yeah. Thank you. And that is sit over there. Yep. Breakfast is good, but that is, I'm not getting any audio there because we're gonna get copyright strikes. Because Starbucks has some pretty good music going on, just not the sort of music YouTube wants to hear. Not the sort of music YouTube wants to hear on someone's channel that does not have the rights to use it. So, let me strap you back in to the chest. Oh shit. And we are ready to go. Homeward bound. It is definitely summer, all right. Let's go through this way. And I find myself back here again. I think we did good. I think we did good today. And here we are, we're back on the rooftop with a wonderful view of the Makati skyline and surrounding areas, surrounding neighborhood. So yeah, there we go. A nice walk around BGC. To be honest, I've been terrified of going out in the past couple of months because of COVID and everything else. Let me just fix this. Hold on. I think we can get a better view of things this way. There we go. So I've been terrified of going out for the past couple of months because of COVID and everything else, and I you know, you can't. On one hand, it's great to be playing it safe and limiting your exposure to other people. But on the other hand, it isn't healthy to just lock yourself indoors for roughly 2 months straight. So again, I won't say that I was just indoors for 2 months straight, because, you know, there is a store across the road where if ever I have to get anything like eggs, bread, or coffee, or any of the simple basic stuff, I just cross across the street and buy. But for the most part, I have been indoors for roughly 2 months. So yeah, you just gotta keep safe. I know these are strange times. Keep safe, limit your exposure to other people, keep your distance, and try to take photos. I'm gonna try to get a time lapse of this over here, so we're gonna do that. Cheers, see you around.